I'm curious if anybody has a like a pattern or set of patterns that they're seeing as to the root causes of why people continuously keep taking shortcuts and keep delivering bad user experiences or less than what they could be doing.
I think that when I first got into tech, I was just blown away with how complex everything is. It's so complex. And it's not complex because people are trying to make it so they have job security. It's just very, very, very hard to build these sophisticated things. And so sometimes it's kind of like I've been in discussions around AI where this journalist was complaining that we're going to head into another AI winter. And I said, it just depends on your expectation around that. There's plenty of AI that's booming right now, that's powering so many experiences. What do you expect? And it turned out they expected the Hollywood version of the robot that's going to do our dishes for us, kind of thinking, or the super intelligence that's going to save the planet, kind of thing. The business model really chases down these smaller kinds of AI because the customers are showing behaviors that say this is what we really want. So that's where the investment is. But it's a very, very, very complex network, complex group of thinking. And then not only that, you got to get the right people in the right place. I'm just talking about on our side, not to mention what Christina and Kristen were saying about needing to understand what the customer wants. Just to get everybody in alignment, it's a huge thing. Sometimes when I'm complaining about how things aren't working to my satisfaction, I have to think about, gosh, who is trying so hard to make this work? And always there's some budgetary thing you're chasing down where you're moving fast. The industry moves incredibly fast. The competitive nature of tech means that it goes at just lightning speed. And so decisions have to be made and priorities. And nobody at any major company or even small company is saying we have too many resources. Everybody's struggling for resources. So it's just complex, it's budgetary concerns, and the rapid rate at which everything's going is the thing that's mind blowing to me when I started to join this business.